Hello, hi. Let me introduce myself. I am representing Star Health, that is standalone health insurance in India. First time, we are the first people in standalone health insurance. I am representing Star Health Insurance. I would like to share a happy news. It is very exciting news with all Indian citizens, wherever you are, all over India, not only all over India, wherever you are, all over the world. This can be beneficial for everybody. That is why I am coming online to share the news. Before that, let me introduce myself. Is Molly Manna Muattur. I am situated in Ernakulam district. Okay. Since the last 13 years, I am working as a health advisor with Star Health Insurance. At the same time, I am the family health protection provider. Okay, so I am focusing mainly on health, wealth, and life protection of Indian citizens. Now, this is the first time I am getting, everybody is getting an opportunity to share this news all over Indian city, all over the people in the whole world. Okay, so basic purpose of a breadwinner is to give protection to the family, life, health, and wealth. I am sure that you are taken care about your health plans, life protection plans. This is an additional benefit which is introduced just today or yesterday from the company. It is an initiative. It is a time limited offer. So for it is this offer you can use for your entire family, means husband and wife. Basic parameter is you have to have a family, then only you can use this benefit. Husband and wife is okay. Husband and wife, maximum 3 children can be together with this single health plan. Here we are offering an opportunity to give full family protection for your entire family. You can spend hardly 10 rupees 22 paisa per day for your entire family. Then you can enjoy a peace of mind for 50 lakhs. Let me explain it once again. If you are spending per day 10 rupees 22 paisa, means altogether in a year 750 rupees Indian money for your entire family. If you spend, you can have a accidental death benefit plus total permanent disability also can be covered with the same plan. Altogether you have to spend 3,750 rupee Indian money. This can be useful for all Indian citizens wherever you are. There is no problem. Till now there was a restriction, you have to be in India. Now this plan, wherever in the world you are settled down or staying, there is no problem. And the most fascinating thing is that there is no need of income proof of yours is needed. Only thing we needed, your address proof, age proof. That is enough. From 0 age to 65 age, you can enjoy. After 65 age, it is not covered. Till the entry age is 65. 0 age child can be used, covered. The child is up to 25 age can be covered. 65 age parent cannot be taken 30 year son or daughter. Up to 25 age children are considered as children. Okay. So this offer is for limited period offer. So make use of it. This is most, again it is a wonderful thing. You can use it by online. Within 1 hour you will get your documents, everything in your mail. Within 1 hour everything will be happen. All over the world you can make use of it. If you need any more details or clarifications, you can contact my mail ID or my WhatsApp number. I will give you the description box my WhatsApp number plus my mail ID also. At the same time, I have a YouTube channel, but I am doubtful all over the Indian citizens cannot be used it because it is in my own mother tongue in Malayalam. That is why I am coming in English, so it can be used for anybody. So yeah, I will give the link also. If anybody wants to go to that link also, you can make use of it. Thank you very much for your patient hearing. This limited time of make use of it. Hardly spending by Indian money 10 rupees 22 paisa. You can have the protection of 50 lakhs. One more point I missed it. Let me add it. This 50 lakhs coverage is for breadwinner father and mother, and the children will be covered with 25% of 50 lakhs. Okay, in case anything happens to the father, 50 lakhs, mother 50 lakhs, children 25 lakhs. Altogether same altogether only this premium once only floater policy it is. Okay, any doubt you can contact me on mail or WhatsApp. Thank you so much for patient hearing.